ako naiyak. I remember, naalala ko po, sabi niya sa akin, huwag mo ako intindihin, huwag mo intindihin yung nararamdaman mo, yung pain. Sabi niya, i-seek mo lang si Lord. Sabi niya, yun lang, intindihin mo, please. Ayusin mo muna yung relationship mo with Him. So, ako naman noong una, actually, to be honest, ate, sobrang tampo ko kay Lord talaga. Kasi ang dami nangyari. And nung time na yun, yung kay daddy ko pa lang po, medyo may tampo po ako. So, nung nangyari yun, doon ako parang na-shatter na pati siya, wala na rin. So, parang I felt like I had nothing. Pero grabe po, God had to do that. Yung talagang, yung feeling na parang si Job po, di ba? Kasi, ang tigas po ng heart ko eh. Tigas talaga, ang tigas ng ulo ko po. So, when that happened, ayun, we went our separate ways. Hindi kami nakita.
The whole September, October, hindi ko na nakita. I think nag-start kami magkita. Like, all of a sudden, nakukwento ko sa kanya may mga brand deals ka na kailangan mo i-post. Tapos, dito napapadala.
Opo, pinadala po sa address nila. May times na nagkikita kami, he was guiding me na how to read the Bible. Sabi ko sa kanya, Nash, sabi ko, anong ginawa mo sa love mo for me? Paano mo ginawa? Ba't parang wala ka nang pakialam sa akin all of a sudden? Kumbaga natitiis mo ako. At tas ako, hirap na hirap. Nakafocus ako dun sa pain. Instead na ikaw, ang bilis mong nakatawid kay God. So, nagpapaturo ako sa kanya. Tapos siya po talagang dala niya yung iPad niya. Oh, this is how you start reading the Bible. You can do this every morning. Mag-build ka ng relationship with Him. Tapos po, sabi niya sa akin, itapon mo yung love. Sabi ko, Nash, yung love ko, tatago ko ba siya sa box? Tatago ko sa ilalim ng kama? Para kapag dumating ka, andyan pa rin siya. Hindi po ako makadiretso sa relationship ko with God. Hindi ko siya masik. Kasi I was holding on to my love for Nash talaga. Sabi niya, hindi. Itapon mo yung box. Set aside your love for me. To love Him and to seek Him.
Kasi po parang, you have to surrender muna everything eh.
Yeah.
To make room for Him, for God.
Yeah. It was hard po. Pero finally, when I was able to encounter God na rin po, it came to a point na siya na una eh. Sumunod na din po ako. I was able to let go of the love na din po, na hayaan siya muna. So, nangyari din po sa akin, yung nakikita ko sa kanya na, he's peaceful, I know he cares about me, but, alam niyo po yun, he set it aside. So, yun din po yung ginawa ko. Ngayon, when I finally reached that place, eto na po ate, yung confusion started kasi, yun na nga po, nakikita kami all of a sudden. Nung finally, wala na po siya sa heart ko. Bigla na lang kami nakikita out of nowhere, nagpadala yung PR package from me. And then, nung pinick up ko po, biglang nandun siya. So, parang...
Pero kami, very, like, as for me, kasi the last command was to stay away eh.
Yeah.
Kasi yung verse was Proverbs 5 eh.
Yeah.
Na parang stay away from her. Do not go near the door of her house. Parang ganyan. So, very direct yung verse.
From stay away, saan mo naman nabasang go back?
Ano po, Ate B, it's a process eh, no?
Yeah.
Dahil, nung nakita ko nga yung testimony niya, na nakita ko ng she's at peace na, ayokong magkabalikan kami kapag nauna na naman yung fleshly desire namin, like, kung kagustuhan namin. At the end of it all, magiging destructive pa rin kami sa isa't isa. So, kung ano lang yung sinabi ni Lord, sunod lang ako. Kasi, masaya ako nakikita siyang masaya. Pero, ang daming beses namin nakita.
Oo, every 2 weeks, biglang nagka-fiesta dito. In-invite ng lola niya yung mami ko. Pati
Wala
ako.
akong magawa.
Wala. Ganun po talaga.
Ikalik style rin. Baka binulungan na rin ng Diyos yung mga magulang.
Ginamit sila as instruments, you know, as wing woman, diba?
Yeah. And they were always there po. Actually, even though we weren't together, talagang grabe po. Everyday kami magkausap ng mom niya. Everyday sila magkausap ng mom ko, talking about our journey with God. She was also happy na ganun din yung nangyari po sa akin. It all started shifting. Ate, you will love this kwento. Grabe. Hindi alam nung friends namin. Actually, even family at first. So, ayan, nakikita kami. And then, nung birthday ko po, I wanted to invite my family for dinner. Tapos, nung time na yun, very busy po silang lahat. So, hindi sila po pwede. Sabi ko, Lord, sino invite ko sa birthday ko? Gusto ko sanang mag-Ocean Park, magsala-sala po. Tapos, nangyari po. And then, after that po...
So, second family yun?
yung family niya po. I treat them as my second family. Even we weren't together. Even as friends po talaga. Never kami nagkaroon ng masamang tinapay. So, after that po, it happened na they were there ng birthday ko. And then, na-aksidente po siya.
On her birthday.
So, instead po makapunta siya, bigla pong nabali yung kamay niya.
Na-dislocate from flag football. So, naoperahan ako on that day.
Opo. Parang na-confuse ako. Sabi ko, Lord, ay parang mabigat. Parang ano po ba yung, is He meant for my life? And then, around December 13 po, meron din po akong moment na I prayed the prayer. I asked God, sabi ko, Lord, You wanted us to surrender each other. And then, we surrendered it, and then, para pong binabalik ninyo. So, I'm confused. Please guard my heart. Lord, litong-lito na ako. Sabi ko, is He my husband? I remember, I was in my living room po sa Malabon. Tapos, ulit-ulit ko tinatanong. Sabi ko, Lord, okay na eh. Wala na eh. Tapos, binabalik niyo po. So, gusto ko pong malaman kasi ayaw kong sumuway sa'yo katulad niya na I ask a prayer. Paulit-ulit yun ate. Una, is He my husband? God, is He my husband? Is He my husband? Siya po ba yung pangalan na sinulat mo katabi ko? Nung pinanganak po kami, Lord. And then after that, kasi ate, nung buong faith journey ko, mula nung nag-believe ako around September to that point, I never asked for anything. Always ko ano lang yung will ni Lord. And sabi ko, after I asked, is He my husband? Sabi ko, subukan ko kayang magtanong. Sabi ko, Lord, baka po pwedeng siya. I ask talaga in faith and alam naman ni Lord yung laman ng heart ko eh. In all humbleness, sabi ko, baka po pwedeng siya. Kasi you know how much I love Him. You know how much He loves me. Baka naman po. Sabi ko, baka naman po pwede na siya. Pero kung hindi, pero kung hindi, Lord, kahit nag-e-enjoy ako, sobrang saya ko na nagkikita kami lately, without doing anything, okay lang po. Please remove him in